third with 18.345, Abraham Mantawil. Davao Digital Influencers. Ayan, low carb na yan. Is that low carb, right? Coming in second, clocking in at 18.586, Christian Joy Salas.
Also from 10-7 Avenue.
10th Avenue. 10-7 Avenue, tama? 10-7, alright. Thank you so much, Christian. And your champion for the Tito's Gents category, clocking in at 17.523. Nagsimula siya sa huli. Binangka niya lahat, nanalo siya. Bel Muntan! From Davao Digital Influencers, there we go.
We're still friends.
You're still friends, yes. Congratulations, gents. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. And now for the few last parts of this one, we're going to give you the third place raffle. It's a Racing Line bag. We do have lots of